Welcome to this introductory tutorial of MyHeritage Library Edition. MyHeritage is one of the largest and most diverse genealogy databases of its kind. It provides access to billions of historical documents, millions of historical photos, and other resources that span the past 5 centuries. To access MyHeritage Library Edition, launch your web browser. Visit www.louisvilleco.gov/library. Navigate to the Learning and Research tab, then double-click to enter. Select A through Z to get an alphabetical list of our databases. Scroll down to MyHeritage and select. Enter your library card number under Patron ID and sign in. Select MyHeritage Library Edition to continue. You will find a wealth of information under categories. Explore census records and more. Researchers can explore family trees created by users of MyHeritage, Family Search, and Jenny. Let's conduct a search on Claude Ramsey, born in 1907 in West Virginia. Our search renders over 5,000 results. The first 20 are shown. A 5-star scale rates the relevance of each result. Here, our top result has a rating of 4.5 stars. Each result has similar information. We can see that the second and third results also have 4.5 stars. The birth, death, and parentage information is the same. We see that Claude was born on September 26, 1907. We can see his occupation and his religion, as well as his date of death. There's also information for the family members and the researcher who has curated this family tree. MyHeritage utilizes a feature called Record Detective that automatically makes connections between different historical records. The Record Detective results are clickable. Armed with new information, let's explore the census and voter lists. Here on the 1920 census, we find Claude with his household. He is 13 years old at this time. We see his father John and his mother Mary, so we know we are looking at the right household. You can explore other family members in the household as well. The census record also gives us record detective results. Let's select one of those. Here now we find the 1910 census with the Ramsey household. MyHeritage also provides the original handwritten census record. At the bottom of the screen, we find the Ramsey household. Use the scroll wheel on your mouse to zoom in and out. MyHeritage Library Edition contains over 6.5 billion records. It is an excellent tool for the beginning genealogist to build your family tree. Happy searching.